Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Lexus CT200H hybrid battery, easy method. Start by disconnecting the 12V negative terminal, then remove trunk trim panels and access bolts. Use proper safety gear, support the pack, unbolt connectors, lift the battery carefully, install the replacement, torque bolts to spec, reconnect connectors, reattach trim, and perform a system reset and test drive to confirm normal operation. Take your time and follow each step safely for reliable results. Gather tools before you begin, including 10mm and 12mm sockets, a torque wrench, insulated gloves, and a floor jack with stands for support and safety. Disconnect negative terminal first to avoid shorts, label wiring and connectors for reassembly, and keep fasteners organized in boxes to prevent loss. Work slowly, ask for help when lifting the pack, and consult a repair manual if you encounter unexpected resistance or warning lights today. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more DIY content. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: Robot Face. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control. It keeps your garage and tools tidy while you work on the car. Right away, check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Position the replacement pack carefully using a second person or hoist, align connectors and bolt patterns, and hand start fasteners before final torquing to specified values. Reconnect the 12V negative terminal last, clear any error codes with a scanner, and cycle the hybrid system per manufacturer steps while parked. Monitor for unusual noises, warning lights, or leaks during a short test drive, and recheck torque and connector security after initial highway use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.